In the previous video, we talked about photos and videos, but today we're focusing on one of the most practical sections inside Canva that beginners often ignore: forms, sheets, charts, and tables. If you're creating presentations, reports, planners, or digital products, these tools will instantly make your designs more organized and professional. Let's start by setting up your design. Head over to canva.com and log in to your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create. Then choose Presentation so we can clearly see how everything works on a slide. Once your blank canvas opens, click on Elements and look for the Table section, usually found right here at the bottom. Click on a basic table and it will appear on your slide. You can adjust the number of rows and columns using the toolbar at the top. Resize it by dragging the corners and edit text directly inside each cell. To make your table look clean, adjust the border weight, change cell colors, and increase spacing. Keep it simple and avoid overcrowding with too much text. Tables are perfect when you need structured information that's easy to scan. Now let's move on to charts. Charts are perfect for visualizing data instead of just listing numbers. In the left panel, go to Charts. Choose from bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Once you click one, it will appear on your slide with sample data. Click on the chart to open the data panel. Replace the sample numbers with your own values, and Canva will automatically update the visual. You can customize colors, labels, and styles from the top toolbar to match your design. Keep your chart focused on one clear message and avoid adding too many data points. If you want a full, step-by-step deep dive into Canva charts where I explain every setting and customization option, I made a separate full tutorial dedicated entirely to charts. Make sure to watch that after this to fully master the feature. Now let's talk about forms. Click on Elements from the left panel and look for Forms. You can add fields like name, email, multiple choice questions, and short answers. Customize the layout, adjust spacing, and match the form colors to your design. Forms are perfect for collecting feedback, event registrations, surveys, or client information directly from your audience. And if you want a complete walkthrough of Canva Forms, where I show you how to set everything up properly from start to finish, I also made a separate full tutorial just for forms. Check that out if you want to master it in detail. Finally, let's talk about sheets. Sheets work like simple spreadsheets inside Canva. You can input data in rows and columns, organize everything clearly, and even convert that data directly into charts. This keeps your workflow clean and efficient. Instead of typing numbers directly into a chart, manage your data inside Sheets first. Once your information is organized, generate charts from it in just a few clicks. If you want a full in-depth tutorial on Canva Sheets, including formulas and advanced features, I made a separate complete video just for Sheets as well. Definitely watch that next if you want to understand everything about it. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand how to use Canva's forms, sheets, charts, and tables as a beginner. Once you start organizing information visually, instead of just typing plain text, your designs will instantly look more professional and structured. If you're ready to master Canva step by step, check out the next tutorial and let's continue learning Canva fast. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.